did you lose the remote?
What makes you so sure I lost it?
'Cause you're you,
Hey, just because I lost that video game,
and the toothpaste, and my football, and a waffle iron.
things disappear. How am I supposed to know where they go?
Well, how am I supposed to watch TV without a remote?
Simple. You just get up and change the channel.
Don't even joke like that.
I wasn't joking.
Good, 'cause it wasn't funny. Now either help us look for the remote or go back to
This
your
is
nasty
a
old
pointless
book and...
argument over a useless device. You are wasting your energy and disrupting my
I'm
concentration.
telling you, I didn't lose.
And that is the
You were
secret
one
to traveling
watching TV
faster
last.
than light.
So if you want to blame someone, look in the mirror, buddy.
Take it easy, Titans. Combat practice is this afternoon.
We must mend your dispute by the sharing of unhealthy junk foods. I shall fetch them.
I don't need food. What I
Back
need
me up
is...
here, Raj. Have I ever lost any
Okay, stop
I
him
will
from
not
losing
allow
my
myself
stuff.
to
come on.
do another
Settle
space
down.
that road up.
Maybe we should just go out for pizza.
Black open mushroom. Like onions?
What are
Pepperoni!
anchovies?
Can we please just order
As
something?
long as it's vegetarian.
Come on, man. How can you deny me the all-meat experience?
Dude, I've been most of those animals.
I suggest a large pizza with pickles, bananas, and mint frosting.
Starfire? Not everything on the menu is a pizza topping.
Oh,